presenting a pre-owned 2010 Infiniti EX. This four-door wagon has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed shiftable O transmission. This Infiniti has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include navigation package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.